What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I'm actually doing a training session for my team, and as I was doing that, I received another notification. Another $300 commission just came through. I'm actually going to flip over the camera just to share with you that it's awesome, right? That you can work from anywhere in the world. You can work from the comfort of your own home, or as you're traveling, as you are vacationing, and you still have a business that is running for you 24/7. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you as soon as you get started with the team today. So I'm going to flip over the camera and show you just the payment notification that just came through. And you too can start receiving these notifications by following the step-by-step training to get you up and running with the affiliate marketing, this affiliate marketing opportunity. So let me flip over the camera real quick. And as you can see right here, as you can see, it's 3:43 p.m. This $300 commission just came through at 3:37 p.m. And you can see it right here, actually. A $300 commission, as you can see right here, just came through. That was 10 minutes ago with this business opportunity. And again, today we had a live session with my entire team. I showed them exactly how to obtain the ads that we have already created for you. And you're gonna know exactly where to paste these ads to start attracting your specific ad audience to get started with you with this work from home opportunity. And what you're gonna do as soon as you get started, you're gonna receive the welcome email giving you access to all the tools necessary, the training necessary to start implementing that training and start creating that momentum inside of your business. I mean, again, what would your life look like, right, if you had the ability to earn these instant $300 commissions as you're, picking up your kids from school, or as you are traveling, or as you are, taking the time to go to the doctors or whatnot? Okay, what would your life look like if you had a business that was running for you in the back end as you are maybe going to your part-time job, right? What would an extra $2K, $3K dollars a month do for you and your family? And so if you want to go ahead and be added to our community, there's over 10,000 members inside of our community. Go ahead and request it. Make sure that you answer the questions. That's the only way that you're going to get approved. Answer who invited you. You can say my name is Adriana if you saw this opportunity from me. And then go ahead and answer those questions, what your goals are, if you're actually serious about creating this side income from the comfort of your own home. And then take a look, right? Take a look at all the different testimonials that our team members are posting in the group, right? Because it's very encouraging. It's very rewarding to know that it's not just me winning, right? It's the people that trusted this opportunity enough to take action, to join the opportunity, and now they're creating their own results. So again, if you are somebody that is serious, that you are just tired of not having enough, or you're tired of living the same routine over and over again, and you're just done with it, you want to actually make a change this year, 2023, and you're committed to your success for the next 90 days, then I want to work with you. So go ahead and get started. Go ahead and click on the first button. It's going to, again, take you to our community where we have over 10K people, members working within our community and creating that success that they desire. Again, the type of success that you're going to create, it all comes down to you, how effective, how are you able to follow simple step-by-step instructions, and how much are you implementing inside of your business to start creating the success that you desire. And then on the second button, if you're ready, if you're serious to commit to your success, click on that second button and get started with one of the training packages. Once you do, again, you're going to receive a welcome email from me. I want to reach out to you and welcome you to the team and get you up and running